Luke, what are you going to do?
What is this? A big bag? Should we open big bag? Can you tell Mama, open big bag? You ready? What's in here? What do you think's in here? A puppy dog? A new baby? Oh!
Big box.
Open it with Mama. Oh, look.
Oh my gosh! Bubble mower!
Bubble mower.
Say bubble mower.
Bubble, yeah. Should we
Wow!
open it more? Bubble mower. Help close it up for us. Here's a bubble mower. Oh, Lukey. Dada might have to put it together.
Holy moly.
This is definitely an outside toy. Our neighbors will love this.
Maybe Dada should put that together. Because you might be putting it in the wrong way. I can already tell. No? But you have to make sure those are in. Why don't we maybe read the instructions?
Instructions! Oh, push it! Oh!
Luke. Lukey, look at Dada.
Dada. Look at
Luke.
Dada.
Can you say thank you, Mark? Mark? Can you say thank you, Heather? Say bye-bye.